Good morning, good morning, morning. Can everyone see? Can everyone hear me? Yeah. Alright, but see what the market wants to do here. We're up 346% on these fucking QQ puts. 8.0 here. Oh my god. I'm up 15 fucking thousand. 15 racks to start off the fucking morning. Oh my god. 850 here. 380%. Beautiful. Risk 2K yesterday with XPX. Sized in on QQ. It fucking paid off. Those 2K I lost on QQ. What loss? That's crazy. Nice. 400% return overnight, guys. Bruh. 860 here, 380%. 860 here, 380%. This is what I want on XPX. Imagine if the XPX would have worked out, like sold off when we wanted to. We would have made like at least, we would turn those into like 30 plus per con. So I mean like 3,000 per con. Imagine. That would have probably netted me like close to like 60, 70,000 if that would have worked out yesterday. But obviously they hold us. At least we got paid on QQ. All right, so what I'm waiting for here on NQ, we haven't broke. Whoa, sorry, I'm sorry. We haven't broken below previous day low on the 4-hour. We have broken on the hourly. We held the overnight lows, which is this here, but we have this imbalance here, so we can come and retest this right now, which we're pumping into. I don't even think we don't have to really push up here, so we can retrace this. Let's go ahead and look at ES real quick just to make sure. If we look at ES, we haven't tapped the hourly. So ES does have a sell to buy here, right? Which is this. Boom, boom, sell to buy. It tapped the 30-minute premium, right? The only thing is that I needed it to break the 15-minute low since we broke above, which it did now. So this is good. We broke here. I now need to see a retracement of at least this imbalance here on ES, and that'd be nice. Let me get a retracement here, and then on NQ we're at the retracement, and we're at the 30,100 cycle level. So we could reject off of NQ here off a smaller time frame, meaning the 5-minute. It's either we can take the risk off the 5-minute here, or we can wait for a deeper retracement of 3126. I would want to wait for 3126 just because if we can retest into there and stay below the 5-minute high, that's going to be my confirmation that doesn't want to go higher and wants to continue lower. Or if you want to risk it, you can take sales from here and your risk will be a 5-minute close above 31.35. ES just tapped into it though. We don't have to tap into the hourly, because I mean if we tap into the hourly, it's going to be all the way to 31.55. That's going to be like 70-point risk if I do that right now. Yeah, can't hear me? Alright, I'm gonna end the stream and then I'm gonna open it again. Hold on. Can you guys hear me now? And let's make sure. See, in the woman that's bullish, so we held that in balance. Yeah. See, so the rejection is working right now so far from there, which is good. Everyone can see and hear now. Why doesn't it load for me? Okay, bet. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So ES just tapped NQ. I don't want to see it. close below the imbalance. The only thing I'm very skeptical of is it could come all the way up here, man. Or below previous day low. We have 25 minutes to close below the previous day low on the 4 hour, so we could do that. Let's go 1 minute real quick. 5 minute. Let's see if we can get a retracement. Okay. I want to make sure I don't rush anything. Like, I love the downside to continue here, guys. I just need the confirmation, if I'm being honest. So I would want to wait for the 1 minute break or retest here, and then set a 1 minute close above here as my stop loss. If we're gonna play off the 5 minute here, 15, 30, yeah, we tapped it 30 minute. We don't have an hourly imbalance. We need to tap on ES anyway, so yeah, we can just reject from here. Yeah. Sounds about right. Let's see if we break or retest. If it breaks, better for me. Retest, cool. Less risk. I'm switching to small wins, then chasing big profits. Good, bro. That's how it should be. SPY's trying to hold daily open. QQ is right at daily open as well. Right here on the 5. So we'll see what happens. See if we can stay below. Yeah, nice rejection so far from where we wanted it. Pretty good. Yeah, the 30,000 psych level here. We're back at it. No crazy sizes in case we need to pop into the hourly, okay? Let's see, did we? Yeah, we broke it. We broke the 15 for continuation. We retested it. Yeah, that was. Yeah. Apollo. Hey. We're holding that 30,000 level here so far. You guys can see. SPY wants previous day low. Then we go 4 hour low. Yeah, that retracement was nice. Let's see. Alright, there we break here. Oh, we bounce into where I want it. We held it again. Mother suckers. We're gonna target 29,862. One second. Looks like it's still holding here. If it lets go to 30,000, that'll be good. Let's see what happens here. And 10 seconds. Damn, it would have been a nice short from here, bro. Alright, cool. We shifted on to 1 minute. I'm scared to play momentum on this one here because we have all these gaps. We need to at least come and retest. So try not to rush it here. SPY's at previous day low also. See if we can get a retracement. 30,041. That's what I want to see. seconds for the next 5 minutes on QQQ to close here. And we close below. Previous day low on SPY here. We let go, this shit melts. Yeah, I'm gonna try some sells here. I'm gonna take some here due to rejecting the 30,000 psych level. If we pop and retest, then I'll possibly scale in, but I like that we're staying below daily open on QQQ. I like that we're rejecting the 30,000 psych level on NQ here as well. So that's my piece of confluence here to continue shorting for continuation. So let's see if it continues. Nice 10 points. Shit. Nice, 20 points. Break even stops for me now. See if we can write this down. Set break even stops and just write this here. $30 points here. That's how you fucking read it. Hell yeah. Beautiful fucking read. Beautiful fucking read. Yours isn't copying anything? Mine's is, but I disconnected everything and connected it back in the morning. Bro, now my top step isn't loading. At least I set my fucking break even, but what the fuck is this? Beautiful. 40 points, guys. $10.0 on these QQQ here, 465%, 10.0. Beautiful. I'll let this run until 29.862 on QQ and not trim the majority. He feels so down. What it does it want to retest this imbalance and continue? That's great. There you go. Now reject. Beautiful. Beautiful. Boom, baby. Nice. Back at 40 points here. Easiest snipe of all time, bro. Yeah, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Previous day low on ES, next target 29.862, next target on whatchamacallit, on whatchamacallit, NQ. $50 points here, guys. 50 points on these NQ cells. What a fucking entry. What a fucking entry. And this, a little shiny. And this is to prove everyone that as long as you have a process and a strategy, it's going to work out. You just need to do the same shit over and over and over again, guys. What a fucking trade. What is this? A 90% win rate for the week. We only took one loss the whole week. All right. Beautiful fucking setup. Beautiful fucking trades. Doing a live every day for you guys all week long. YouTube, you guys banked? Nice. Nice. W session again. Clean sales. Thank you guys. Please tag me on Twitter. Yo, Discord, you guys know the drill. Can I see some ones or W's if you guys banked? 15 minutes of open, the 15-minute workday, and we are done. Nice. Good job. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nice. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh. Good job. Show you guys why we took the setup. So we took it because the 1 minute broke, and then we took it because it rejected the 30,000 psych level, and then QQQ was already below the daily open, then ES shifted, so we wrote it down the momentum. Now retest happened here to continue lower, and as you guys can see, continue lower into our TP zone right here. Beautiful fucking trade. Boom, Mr. Fantastic. Oh my god, hold on, fuck this video. Hold on. Oh man. Let's go. 70. Well, actually, that was 80 points right there. Now I'm up. The demon is out. What a fucking trade, guys. Alright, I am going to sell more QQQ here. 529% like I promised on QQQ. 11.20 mm. 11.20. I'm going to leave 2 runners on his QQQ, and I'm done. This netted me about... Oh, shit. Net profit on this position, currently right now, it's 19,700 and something now. 19,989 now. What a fucking trade. That's probably... Yes, yeah, that is probably one of my biggest returns QQ in the past couple of, like 2 months, 3 months. On QQQ. XPX I've caught 500%, but QQ, this is crazy to catch 500% overnight. And this goes to show to you guys that like being confident and you know having a conviction, but most importantly believing in yourself that you know your strategy works, and you just pretty much believing your strategy works, and that you went off your larger time frame, which is a setup I took yesterday to short from yesterday to today, right, as a swing position. Everyone thought we were going to continue higher. Everyone was bullish because we pumped, but I always say, like I told you guys yesterday, they use the news to deliver the price where they want it, right? So that was a manipulated move. So what they did was to trick people, to trap them, thinking we're going to go back to all-time highs or higher. But the larger time frame, the 4-hour time frame, told us to set up here. So for me, it was like they're doing this for some bullshit. I know this is just a retest. I've seen this model multiple times. I've been trading for years and years and years. That I know that it's a pattern. So I see it, and then you know, you just take the risk all the time, guys. That's why I was so like. I know you might maybe thought I was crazy. You know, doing XPX puts and doing QQ, you might be like, damn, he over leveraged on one side. Like, the motherfucker is either crazy or he knows what the fuck he's talking about. And obviously, I knew what the fuck I was talking about. I was super confident in that. But 100 points here on these NQ cells. Bro, that shit's funny, D. I look like a light skin in that picture, bro. I look like The Rock. But yeah, bro. So that just goes to show, guys, like just have conviction and ignore the noise, ignore everyone else's bullshit. Because on Twitter, everyone was bullish. Everyone thought we were gonna go back to all time. Like, why are people shorting? You can just keep buying the dip, keep buying the dip. Fuck buying the dip. Like, yes, you gotta know when to buy the dip though, and you gotta know when to short it also, right? Like, if the structure has shifted on a larger time frame, what is it going to do? It's gonna try to target your larger time frame levels. So what do I mean by that? So now ES is going to target your daily levels, which I would want to see ES. I need to see ES. Excuse me. Come down into the daily 50%. If this 4-hour holds and it taps here, we'll continue higher. But if we keep selling off and break the 4-hour here in the next 12 minutes, I won't look too long anywhere around here. I'll look too long around this zone here instead. It just makes more sense. It's more minimal risk compared to if this breaks, then that means this is not going to hold if this breaks, right? Same thing here. If this breaks on NQ, then it's not going to hold. Our runners are fucking running here, guys. 110 points on the setup. 110 points. What the fuck? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Move down your stop. So, Edwin, trail your stop down to 920. So you click it and you just drag it down. Everyone, trail your stop to 920. Deep in profits. You know, if it goes lower, keep trailing it down. Keep moving it down. Okay. Because TP's about to hit, so you can either sell all or let the runners run. I would say let the runner run. Nice. Our TP officially hit here, guys. 120 points. I'm now moving down my stop to 29,895. 29,895 as my TP hit here. Beautiful. What a fucking trade. Done on live for you guys. All fucking day, every day. crazy shorts. I'm delusion sometimes and it works. Big sales, whoa. Does everyone understand? Trailing is good. Weekend needs to be. Yeah, runners are running. Does everyone understand why we took that trade? Damn, what? No fucking way, Milton. You were busy, bro, or what? Damn. Nice, Taylor. Taylor, does that mean? Does that mean you passed it? Wait. um, you're busy. Okay, almost. All right, I'm just gonna say almost. All right. It's okay. Um, yeah, I'll explain it. Okay, all right, YouTube. I'm gonna end the stream because I want to record the recap. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for banking with me. Please tag me on Twitter, whatever you guys want to tag me on. I'll see you guys later, YouTube. Let me end.